Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 3-phase compressor. And this one is MF10 pop length crawl compressor made in USA. So this is the suction, and this one is discharge, and this one is electrical. And this is the 3-phase, so here terminal 3-phase, and this one perfect. So these are the end compressor. This is the clampmeter now set to the continuity mode. And this one is continuity mode. Now continuity mode, I think this is the 3 terminals, and it is on each one is T1 and T2 and T3. So now we are checking one by one. So this one T1 and T2. Now we'll see resistance is 1.1, and second one is T1, 2 and T3. Resistance is same, 1.1, and later T3 and T2. Resistance is same. So these 3 also same resistance. So this one is working good. This is the compressor working normal, and that compressor working good. It is not fault. It is good. If in case any here resistance is different, here any resistance is different, it is getting bad or fault in inside. So now it is getting good, same resistance in all terminals. So these compressors are good. So these are the compressors checking, and another one method is here. One is here ground. You are checking here only, and if in case here see if in case beep sound will be coming, that is the fault. It is fault. No beep sound. So it is good. So see again and again, and the change the pushing, but no beep sound. So it is not getting continuity to terminals to grounding, low continuity. So it is good. So thank you for watching, and this is the rotary compressor. No sective continuity mode. It is continuity mode. You see here, and see here deep we are getting the sound. It is continuity mode, and here 310 the all right here. See 1.9 is 1.4, 2.9 means this one is common, and now we are checking common 2 starting, see common 2 starting, and common 2 running, and the running starting 2 running. I think you will understand. No, this one is common, and this one is starting, and this one is running. So now again we are checking. Common is always low. Common to starting, that is common to running. We are checking common to running. That time we get that 1.5, and common to or starting we getting 1.8, and starting to running, if you getting higher resistance, it will be 3. So these are the methods here. Little bit common to running, it is every time it's just low, and common to starting little bit, and common to running. No, sorry, the starting to running, it will be getting high. It means 3.0 like this. So these are the methods of hope checking in the difference between single phase and 3-phase, and this is the method of checking in resistance. It is good or bad.